So right now, I want to talk especially about those people who have been shouting about geopolitical zone. Don't take us to Southeast. We are not Igbo. We are Nyoma people. We are not Igbo. Now you know where you come from. And I want to start on with, you claim, say, you be Bini. You come from Bini. Bini, 9 days close to you here. 9 days close to you. But you know they speak Bini language. You know they answer Bini name. You know they do Bini culture. The Igbos, then where you talk say you know be, say you be Anyoma. They're there across the Niger, far away. But you they answer their name. You they call God Chuku, and you say you know be Igbo. Well, may I let you know now yourself you they deceive. Then you talk about geopolitical zone. I want to ask you one question. When we before the Western region, all of us the Western region, they carry us from there, come out, enter Midwestern. Who consulted you? Then from Western region, they carry us go join Midwestern region. Who consult you? Make you talk, say yes, say you accept today there or you not accept today. Finally, when they carry on a come up from Western region, Midwestern region, go join Bender State. Who consult you? Then when they finally come out for Western region entirely, carry on put for South region, where una not originally belong to in the first place, the consultant. And then another question again. When you come up from Western region to Midwestern region, you've una not be Okwani again, and you not be Ndokwa again. You change your identity. When I come up from there, now enter Midwestern. From Midwestern, you enter Bender. From Bender to South. Now you change your identity. Why be say if they join on your man state now, go join Southeast, you they fear say your identity won't change. This now what you know Igbo people they call inferiority complex. Now they worry you now. But one thing where you go know be say without the Igbos, which you and me when we data Igbos we are part of, without the Igbos, there will be no success in this nation. You like you take up, you not like you not take up. All of them when they talking here, I bet when I come off my screen. All those better people make they follow me for more updates. Don't forget, I'm only me now be the youngest chief. When they in the Nation. I mean they call on us a one in the Nation.